Happy Wednesday, everybody. Welcome back to She Stacks. So we have an unboxing today. So this package came from Atmex. And I had a comment last time about how I accumulate so much metals, especially gold. And not that that's any of your business, but I will tell you this. Not all of this was bought at the same time, and it wasn't bought recently. Everything that you see on this channel is from a stockpile from a while ago. But I'm a regular person with a regular job, just like a lot of you. Oh, and you guys, this was funny. I actually cut myself, and not even in the way that most people would expect. I cut myself on the cardboard opening one of my daughter's presents. So as usual, you get a box and you get a little mailer here. So I gotta open that. Here we go. We have a $20 Liberty Gold Double Eagle, 1894. So in 1894, we have the Pullman strike, the Coxey's Army marches on Washington, the Wilson-Gorman tariff, and that became law. Labor Day became a federal holiday. Also in 1894, there was the Japanese-Chinese War. So if you've been watching the channel for a while, you probably have noticed that I'm a collector of these types of coins. And one of my bucket list items is to fill a tube. So I'm going to need 20 of them to fulfill that bucket list item. So I have one that I opened today, and we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 so far. So I need 10 more. And again, you guys, I have been collecting these for 6 years. So if you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you liked and subscribed and hyped and did all that fancy stuff. And I will see you guys on Friday with a new video. Bye, guys.